Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 as a touchpad in Samsung DeX mode. If you have your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 connected to your monitor for Z Flip, you can simply go to the phone. Then either in the bottom left corner, you'll see this rectangular button, which you can click on to open the touchpad. Or if you don't have this button, just slide down from the left top part of the screen. I'll just close the phone because it's easier for me to hold it that way. From the left top part of the screen, and you'll have a notification about opening touchpad here. So either of those options should be available. Once you open it, you can see that I'm moving the cursor across the screen as I'm touching the phone. Of course, you can rotate it by rotating the phone, and that is basically it here. You can do it on the closed screen or open screen. There's different gestures, like for example, 3 fingers tap will typically open the apps menu. I'll try to do it, but for some reason it doesn't always work on this phone. On a different phone I tried it and it worked a bit better. This one doesn't seem to like my gestures. Yeah, but you can see it does work, and there is a video on our channel on all the gestures in the touchpad in Samsung DeX on this phone, so you can also check that out. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.